Next we've got environment, so this just shows you the temperature inside and outside the vehicle, and then the humidity within the vehicle as well. This will keep your water warm. It doesn't heat it up hot, it just keeps it tepid and stops it from freezing within the tanks. First thing you want to do when you get into your vehicle is turn your main control panel on. Then from here you can turn your internal lights on, so you've got your entry, your awning light, and then the rest of the vehicle lights are here. You can also dim them down and brighten them back up again. And then we have your leisure battery status, your vehicle battery, and then you can see which one is charging. Then we've got your water, so you've got your fresh water and your wastewater. You can also turn your water pump on and off, so you get a pressurised flow of water through your vehicle. And then we also have a heater here. This won't heat your